Fundraising can take many forms. With the rapid boom of social media and increasing access to the internet, digital crowdfunding is on the rise. Wondering how your nonprofit can leverage this? From selecting the right platform to setting achievable targets, here's a quick look at a few things that nonprofits should keep in mind when designing their digital crowdfunding campaigns. Number 1. Do your homework. There are various platforms where nonprofits or individuals can run a digital crowdfunding campaign. So it is important to research available options. This involves going beyond the information found on the platform website and reaching out to the platform directly in order to understand whether there are any hidden costs or convenience fees. Number 2, create a blueprint. Before putting out any information on the campaign, it's essential to create a detailed plan of how it's going to run and the various elements that will go into making it a success. These include the cost, objective, target amount, collaborators, target audience, timelines, and tools that will be used for the campaign. Additionally, it is extremely important to have a content calendar built around the campaign that will include social media posts, newsletters, and a host of creative ideas. Number 3. Be realistic about the goals. Before you set yourself a target, you should think about who is likely to engage with your campaign. While leveraging personal connections works, one also needs to think about how many people beyond one's immediate networks are going to participate and what would motivate them to do so. Identifying bite-sized goals that you can track, such as how widely your campaign travels and how much engagement your content is getting, will help you stay on course and plan better. Number 4. Create a visual identity for your campaign. Visuals are key to digital campaigns, and having genuine images and videos related to the campaign will go a long way. These will not only help spread the word about your campaign, but also aid in building a strong visual identity for it. Tools such as Canva have many template options on offer for free. Social media will be very useful to amplify the call to action for your campaign and promote its visual identity. Number 5. Creativity is key. A campaign that hinges on the same messaging day after day runs the risk of boring people. Using different languages to amplify the campaign, doing giveaways, or highlighting impact stories can go a long way in making the campaign succeed and break the monotony. Number 6. Have an optimistic approach. If a campaign is presented such that it makes it difficult for possible donors to see actionable steps, or if the narrative is pessimistic, it can be difficult to fundraise effectively. People want to give to causes where they can see tangible action. Maintaining an optimistic outlook while giving your audiences a clear view of what you wish to achieve through a fundraiser are thus key to a successful crowdfunding campaign. What are some other communications and fundraising tips that you would like a quick guide into? Let us know in the comments below.